Bay windows are an elegant addition to any home, offering a range of benefits that go beyond just aesthetics. If you're a homeowner in Brandon, considering the installation of bay windows can elevate both the style and functionality of your living space. Whether you're planning a remodel or building a new home, here's why bay windows are an investment worth considering. Enhanced curb appeal. One of the most immediate benefits of bay windows is their striking appearance. A bay window creates a sense of grandeur by protruding from the wall, which can instantly enhance the curb appeal of your home. The added architectural detail sets your home apart, creating an inviting focal point that captures attention from the street. In a place like Brandon, where many homes feature classic styles, a bay window can offer a touch of sophistication that boosts your home's visual appeal. Increased natural light. A significant advantage of bay windows is the amount of natural light they allow into your home. Unlike standard windows, which are flat and offer limited light, bay windows feature multiple panels angled outward to catch more sunlight from different directions. This design maximizes the flow of natural light, brightening up your interior spaces and making them feel more open and airy. In a town like Brandon, where the weather can be unpredictable, having a constant influx of natural light can help lift the mood in your home and reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. Breathtaking views of the outdoors. Bay windows are known for their panoramic views, allowing homeowners to enjoy the beauty of their surroundings from the comfort of their homes. Whether you live in a suburban neighborhood, a rural area, or a home with views of nature, a bay window can frame the perfect vista. In Brandon, with its scenic landscapes and lush greenery, a bay window can offer unobstructed views of the outdoors, making it a perfect spot to relax, read, or simply take in the sights. It can also provide a sense of openness and connection to the outside world, which is particularly valuable during the colder months when you want to bring the outdoors in. Extra space for seating or storage. One of the most functional benefits of bay windows is the additional space they create. The window's structure extends outward, often creating a small alcove inside your home. This extra space can be utilized in various ways, such as a cozy reading nook, a small seating area, or even a place for plants. Many homeowners in Brandon take advantage of this space to install a built-in bench with storage beneath it, providing both comfort and practicality. This added space can be a game-changer in rooms with limited square footage, offering a place to relax or store items without sacrificing valuable living space. Improved ventilation. In addition to increasing natural light, bay windows can also improve ventilation in your home. Because bay windows typically consist of 3 sections, they provide the opportunity to open multiple panes of glass. This allows for better airflow, especially during warmer months when you want to let fresh air into your home. Opening the windows at an angle can create a cross breeze that circulates air more effectively throughout the room. In Brandon, where the climate can be both hot and humid, this extra airflow is particularly beneficial for maintaining a comfortable and fresh indoor environment. Boosted property value. Investing in bay windows can also increase the resale value of your home, because they add both aesthetic appeal and functional benefits. Homes with bay windows often have higher market values. Potential buyers are drawn to the bright, airy atmosphere that bay windows create, along with the added space and views. Whether you plan to sell your home in the future or not, this improvement can offer a strong return on investment. In the competitive Brandon housing market, features like bay windows can give your home a competitive edge, attracting more attention and potentially leading to quicker offers. Energy efficiency. With modern advancements in window technology, bay windows can also contribute to your home's energy efficiency. High-quality windows with energy-efficient glass and proper insulation can help maintain a comfortable temperature indoors year-round. In Brandon, where temperatures can fluctuate between hot summers and cold winters, energy-efficient bay windows can help reduce your heating and cooling costs. By reducing the need for air conditioning in summer and keeping warmth inside during winter, you'll save money while making your home more sustainable. Conclusion: bay windows are an exceptional choice for homeowners in Brandon who want to add style, functionality, and value to their homes. Whether it's for the added light, the beautiful views, the extra space, or the energy efficiency, a bay window installation provides numerous benefits. By choosing to install bay windows, you're not just enhancing the beauty of your home, you're also investing in a more comfortable, livable, and valuable property. So, if you're considering home improvements, a bay window might be the perfect addition to bring new life to your living space.